Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to delete your Kik account on a mobile device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your Kik accounts, open up your Kik application. Make sure that you're logged into the account you would like to delete. And once you are, tap on the settings or the gear button at the upper left-hand corner. Tap on your account option and now at the bottom, you should see an option that says delete account. Give it a tap and confirm you'd like to delete your account by tapping on yes. Once you proceed deleting your account, make sure that your action cannot be undone and your account will not be accessible anymore. So tap on yes if you want to do that anyway. And you'll be logged out of your Kik account. And that way, you'll be able to delete your Kik account quick and easy. That is how you can easily delete your account on Kik. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.